Hello there, and welcome to day 5, where we enter the temple of Isis with the frequency of sacred magic. So get some sage and bring it over your body, over your aura. The practice today is the Womb of Remembrance, and the invitation is for you to allow yourself to be open and receive, and allow whatever happens in the practice to be your truth. It doesn't have to look like anything else. It is what you are going to receive. So please go ahead and get yourself comfortable. Maybe lean back a little and gently close your eyes. And take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale through the mouth. One more time, inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth as you allow your body to soften and to relax and to open and to arrive. Bring one hand onto your heart and the other one on your belly, lower belly, and just feel the weight of your hands on your heart and on your lower belly, your hara, your womb. This is your altar of remembrance. Every time you inhale, imagine a soft silver blue light entering your lower belly, your womb, and your whole pelvic area. And with every exhale, allow your belly to expand gently, as if being filled with this beautiful silver blue light. You don't have to see the light, you just have to know or imagine that it is happening. Really feel this light from Isis. Isis is connected to the star Sirius, which is a blue star, hence the silver blue light. And now I invite you to see your womb as a chalice, a golden chalice, maybe like this sound bowl that you have seen before. A golden chalice overflowing with this silver blue light. And with every breath, your chalice is constantly being refilled. So this light never ends. This light is always there for you. Within this chalice exists everything you carry. the shadows or the seeds, the grief or renewal, your endings, your beginnings, everything is welcome here. With your breath, begin the alchemy. Inhale silver blue light, bringing it down into your womb chalice. Exhale any fear, any pain, or dissolve any heaviness. Inhale, remembrance awakens. Exhale what is ready to be released. Inhale, renewal. Exhale, the way is cleared. And now whisper, beloved Isis. That's how you say it in Egypt. Beloved Isis, womb of remembrance, awaken my body as a chalice of magic. May all that I carry be alchemized into light. Feel the wings of Isis unfurling and going around you, embracing you. Her presence holding you as a mother, as a priestess, as a goddess. Bring your awareness into your body and become aware that it is aglow with golden light. Your whole being radiating remembrance. Take a big breath here. Exhale. And rest for a few breaths in silence, feeling the effects of the practice. Letting Isis or Isis's light continue to move through your womb, your lower belly, your throat, your heart, and your crown. Feeling her love. You can stay here as long as you would like. And when you feel ready, you can open your eyes.